Did you know that by 2030, the global holographic display market is projected to surpass $11.65 billion, growing at an annual rate of 25.3%? That's faster than the rise of smartphones in the early 2000s, signaling a revolution in how we experience digital content. Holographic displays are no longer just science fiction. They're here, and they're evolving faster than anyone expected. Experts predict that by 2040, traditional screens may be completely replaced by holographic projections, changing everything from entertainment to communication. Imagine waking up, waving your hand, and having your morning news appear in midair, customized to your interests. No more TVs, no more phone screens. Just floating, interactive 3D visuals integrated seamlessly into your environment. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Samsung are secretly investing billions into holographic technology, racing to develop the first mainstream holographic smartphone. In 2023, MIT researchers developed AI-driven holographic rendering, reducing lag by 60% and improving realism in ways never seen before. The Looking Glass Factory recently unveiled the world's first personal holographic display, priced under $389, making it one of the most affordable holograms to date. Holograms are already changing how we experience live entertainment, with ABBA's Voyage concert in 2023 generating over $175 million from holographic performances alone. Imagine watching your favorite band perform live as holograms, responding to the audience in real time, decades after their prime. This isn't just about nostalgia, it's about the future of music, where artists can tour virtually forever without ever stepping on stage. In 2022, a South Korean AI startup created a fully interactive holographic influencer, attracting millions of followers and redefining digital celebrity culture. The first fully holographic influencer brand deal was signed in 2023, proving that the digital entertainment industry is evolving faster than we ever imagined. Gaming is also undergoing a massive shift, with companies like Sony and Nintendo exploring holographic game projections, allowing characters to exist in your real-world space without a headset. A prototype unveiled at CES 2024 showcased a holographic Mario Kart racetrack, where players could physically walk around and interact with their characters in real time. The military is investing billions in holographic training simulations, replacing traditional virtual reality with fully immersive, real-world holograms for tactical missions. The U.S. Department of Defense recently announced a $2 billion investment in holographic battlefield training, aiming to revolutionize soldier preparation. Holography is also transforming medicine, where doctors are using 3D holographic organs to plan surgeries with extreme precision. At Johns Hopkins University, surgeons successfully used a holographic heart model to reduce surgery time by 40%, lowering patient risk and improving outcomes. Medical schools are replacing cadaver studies with interactive holographic bodies, allowing students to explore human anatomy in real time. The Mayo Clinic recently implemented a holographic diagnostic system, allowing remote specialists to analyze patients in 3D without ever stepping into the room. The education sector is experiencing a transformation where classrooms are becoming fully immersive learning environments with holograms. Instead of reading about ancient Rome, students can now walk through a 3D reconstruction of the Colosseum, watching historical events unfold in front of them. Imagine learning biology by dissecting a 3D holographic frog projected onto your desk, interacting with every layer of its anatomy in real time. Holographic advertising is expected to grow into a $200 billion industry by 2035, with brands shifting from static billboards to interactive, personalized holographic ads. In Tokyo, the first fully holographic shopping mall opened in 2023, allowing customers to browse products without physical inventory, trying on clothes via 3D projections. Companies like Gucci and Louis Vuitton have already launched holographic fashion shows, showcasing virtual models walking down a non-existent runway. Imagine entering a store where you can try on clothes without touching them, as holograms adjust to your body in real time. Automotive companies are also leveraging holographic displays, with Mercedes-Benz introducing the first holographic dashboard in 2024, replacing traditional touchscreen controls. Imagine driving a car where your navigation, speedometer, and entertainment system appear as floating 3D projections above your dashboard. Tesla is rumored to be working on a fully holographic user interface, eliminating physical buttons and relying entirely on gesture-based controls. Real estate is being transformed, with holographic property tours replacing traditional open houses, allowing buyers to walk through homes remotely in 3D. In 2023, the first fully holographic real estate transaction took place, where a buyer in Dubai purchased a home they had only toured via a 3D hologram. With all this innovation, one question remains: will holograms replace our current reality? In 2025, NASA is set to test the first space-based holographic communication system, allowing astronauts to interact with 3D projections of their families on Earth. The concept of holoportation is becoming real, where instead of video calls, people appear as life-sized holograms in each other's rooms. Imagine sitting at dinner with family members from across the world, all appearing as realistic 3D holograms, talking, moving, and reacting in real time. Holograms could completely eliminate smartphones, laptops, and televisions, merging digital and physical reality into one seamless experience. But there are challenges to overcome. Cost, resolution, and privacy concerns remain major obstacles. Currently, most holographic displays max out at 4K resolution, but for true realism, experts predict we need 16K plus ultra-dense light fields to simulate natural depth. Energy consumption is another issue. Holographic projections require 10 to 50 times more power than standard OLED screens, raising sustainability concerns. Privacy is also a growing debate. Holographic advertising systems could track eye movements, emotions, and engagement levels without consent. In 2023, Stanford researchers exposed a flaw in AI-driven holographic ads, showing how companies could manipulate consumer choices through subconscious visual cues. Imagine walking down a street where ads change based on your facial expressions, showing products tailored to your mood in real time. As holographic displays become more advanced, some experts warn of potential addiction, similar to how social media reshaped human attention spans. Could we one day become so immersed in holographic entertainment that we lose touch with reality itself? With governments investing in holographic smart cities, where even streetlights and road signs are projected, the line between physical and digital reality is blurring. China has already announced plans for the first fully holographic city district, where no physical screens will exist, only floating digital projections. As we move closer to a future dominated by holograms, one thing is certain: our relationship with technology will never be the same again. Some see this as the ultimate technological breakthrough, a future where information is seamlessly integrated into our world without barriers. Others warn that holography could become the next surveillance tool, where every interaction is tracked, recorded, and analyzed in ways we've never imagined. Are we entering an era of unprecedented innovation, or are we surrendering control to an all-encompassing digital reality? The question isn't if holograms will take over, it's when. And when that day comes, will we be ready? Let me know your thoughts. Would you trade your screens for a fully holographic world? Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology, and let's explore the digital frontier together.